Hey guys, this is Cybeck. I just got the new ESI knife to replace Jacknife. I'm gonna give you a quick walkthrough. It's a little bit different. It's a little kind of weird, but it's really cool. It's a lot better than the old style. So, without further ado, what you're gonna go to is knife.cybeg.com. It's under my domain for the moment. Looks like this. It's very simple to use. So what you're going to do is sign in with EVE Online. Of course, I already have mine signed in. Hit authorize. Alright. I already got this one set up, so I'm going to give you a brief overview. Go ahead and add all your characters, all that kind of good stuff, so you can get that situated. You'll have the jobs here. Until this reaches 0, you're not going to be able to view stuff, and it's going to give you some errors. So make sure you wait till that's done. You can go ahead and browse. It's not going to screw up anything. It'll just pop up an error. You hit the back button. Go to the next thing. Which I'll show you on another character what that looks like. But let's open up Cybeg here. It's very simple. See, it looks a lot like it looks like this. This is based off the same type of software as Seat, but it'll give you, the EPU, quick, history of who these guys are, where they were, all that kind of stuff. This is my corp history. Assets pop up. This is your overview. I'm going through this quickly. I don't want this to be a long video because I got another one to make for your recruits. But you quickly, just click. You can see everything they have. It doesn't give you like the old Jacknife, big assets, all that kind of stuff. So that's kind of a downfall. But it's a work in progress. This is still in beta, but it's going to work for us for the moment. You can click on bookmarks, see all their bookmarks, different folders they have. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know I did that. Opens up Dotland where it's at and all that kind of stuff. So if you're looking, you got a guy that's, from, say, NC Dot or something, and enemy guys or whatever, you look through here, look where their stuff is, that sort of thing. Same with the assets, you can come over here on assets. 1DQ, okay, where is this at? Simply copy and paste. It doesn't have that feature. I'm gonna have to request it. But anyways, you can check their clones and implants. This is always a good thing to check. See where they're jumping in and out of, all that kind of good stuff. Contacts is another good one. You got your blue standing. Everything's showing up over here. Let's see who Cybeck hates. Circle 2. Imagine that. Check their email, all that kind of good stuff. Good to go. Contracts, all that kind of stuff can be shown here as well. Ooh, I need to check that. Let's see what it is. Okay, cool. Anywho, you can check their skills here. This is a pretty cool thing. It'll show you the whole skill list, all that kind of good stuff, which is kind of good to go through. But this button up here, what I can fly, and it gives you a quick, overview of every ship sorted by, corvettes, cruisers, all that kind of good stuff. So that's on there. Quick look of, what they can and cannot do. Check their skill queue. That's another good one. It's pretty self-explanatory. But yeah, that's that. I need to update my skill queue. Okay, their wallet transactions, all the money they've been spending, how much they have, all that kind of good stuff. You can check the journal as well. Show my balance. I have too much money. Ooh, no, actually I'm low. Look at that. But anywho, that's how you use that. Now, the question is, how do I get this to, I send them to this site. How do they, get me to access this? Because I can't sign in as them. That's very simple to do. Just, click back over here, or you can click on the dashboard. Either way. You're going to click on Manage Access right next to Add Character. Now, you can do this a couple different ways. Like you can grant access to any char, anyone that signs in. So say I wanted to give this to my alt Samuel Maxon. Do that. Oh, it popped up and I even added him in the system. So it doesn't matter if they're in the system or not. Just have them go there and they'll be able to access it. You can select that. Not a member. Oh, okay. They have to be a member, but it'll pull up their name anyways. Didn't know. So you click add, and then they will hit the select button. I'm going to make a different video for them. This is kind of for CEOs and recruiters to, you know, check it out. Just FYI. So you hit select, so we'll do Cybeg, which it might shoot back an error. Hey, you are Cybeg. Let's give it a shot. Cybeg. You being serious? They got funny there. The jokes. You can do a grant shareable link, all that kind of good stuff. Just generate a new URL. Haven't tried all this. Let's do generate URL. Okay. Okay, yeah, this will make them a accessor, that sort of thing. I haven't tried this out. Again, I'm gonna have to get with this, but I just got it out and wanted to get y'all on it and, you know, mess around with all that kind of good stuff. But anyways, that's basically it. You can go back to overview. You got current tokens, all that kind of good stuff. You can delete your tokens, all that kind of good stuff as well. Check your settings. This I haven't messed with. Haven't even opened. I literally got this up about 15-20 minutes ago. But anyways, let's go ahead and add a second character. You click add character. We're going to select all. Authorize selected scopes. We're going to do it on token. Authorize. Okay, so here's that job queue. We got 16 that were, you know, are pending, completed jobs, failed jobs, all that kind of stuff. You can also access this down here. It's a little, yeah, it's kind of not so pretty. But you can just click on it again, it'll go down. But that gives you kind of, you know, what's going on, all that kind of good stuff. But if we click on view, click on assets. Oh, he didn't have that many assets, so it's not going to go there. Well, that's not fun. See if I can cause an error. Oh man, it's running smoothly. Look at that. Fly. You can't fly much. Okay, this might be broken because I know. Oh, can't fly. Okay, that's cool. Can fly. There's 2 sections on each one. That's kind of cool. Wish you could minimize it though. But anywho, that's how you add a second character. But that's basically it. Hit me up on Discord if you have any questions, that sort of thing. Hit me up on comms, that sort of thing. Just add characters. Again, just click on Manage Access. Have them type in your name. Click the ad. It's going to pop up. If you have any other recruiters that's going to be taking a look at this, make sure they type in that name as well. Like this one. Oh, not a member. Again, whipped into shape. He's sitting next to me. But yep, that's it, guys. I will have another video for, you know, to release out to, you know, your potential recruits that will walk them through the process. If you have any, you know, special requests on there, I'm gonna make that in a couple days after everybody plays with it and, you know, kind of puts on there, lets me know what they want on there. But yeah, that's it. Hit me up if you have any questions.